Hi everyone, let me share to you the benefits and my experience using the Lux Protect. What makes it good? It fights stress, fights fatigue, boosts immune system, enriched with pure grapeseed extract filled with antioxidants. It has 50 times more powerful than vitamin C and 20 times more powerful than vitamin E. So, lupik pa nimo ang gamay ra ani nga enervon C. The nutrients found in grapeseed extract are an abundant source of vegetable protein, lipids, and polyphenols. Another benefit is its ability to fight cancer. I started using Lux Protect when I gave birth with Gabriel until I give birth again with Clyde. The best vitamins I've ever tried, especially after giving birth to my kids. Those times lack of sleep because I am a breastfeeding mom and a full-time mom. Lux Protect will help to organize our sleeping hours. Even though I don't have enough rest or sleep, when I wake up, I'm still energetic. I do a lot, especially our daily tasks at home. I can manage my time to clean and to take care of my child. I felt like I'm not tired yet, that I still want to do more. Till now, I'm using Lux Protect for my immune booster, stress reliever, and my serum. Si Lux Protect, dili ni siya pareha sa sleeping pills. Nga pag mag-take ka sa sleeping pills, is tulog jud kay ka. Pero si Lux Protect, like breastfeeding mom, breastfeeding kasi mohang baby, makamatay ka. And pag kulang ka og tulog, pag mata ni mo ani, is feel mo mura kag 8 hours na tulog. So proven and tested na mga mommies. If you're a breastfeeding mom, full-time mom, and you're watching right now, try Lux Protect because it will help you to organize your sleeping hours. Samot sa atong mga angkan nga pagmata na to pagka mornings dagan kay mga buhaton sa balay, dili lang kay magatiman sa baby. And this is the reason nga nadungagan akong timbang, gana akong kaon, dili ko bation og kakapoy, dili ko bation og luya, dagan ko mabuhat, and maatiman ako ang mga bata. Lux Protect is also my serum. It can be your serum. It fades your pimple and acne marks. It can heal your wounds and scars. It will restores your skin oil balance and clear pores, which can make them look smaller. So, mao ginang tinuod kay napamatudan ko gyud na kay nakoy pimple one time din sa ilong, bago lang siya gasugod. Tapos gipahiran ako og Lux Protect pagkahapon na nawala. So, kita mo ni akong piklat kana mga dagko na siya nga acne. Ako ra na siya gipahiran og Lux Protect and na-fade siya tungod sa pagtahid. By using Lux Protect as your serum, you feel like you have a Korean skin. It makes your acne or pimple dries. The best din siya pagsabayan mo siya pag-take sa itong Lux Protect. Before sleep is the best to take Lux Protect so that you have a deep sleep and not to look haggard when you wake up, even you only sleep 2 to 3 hours. For those always have lack of sleep, insomnia, always stay up late, tired of work, so that's why losing of appetite, try Lux Protect for boosting your immune system, pampatambok also sa mga galisod magpatambok, gusto mag-gain of weight, so try Lux Protect. And also, I use a Lux Protect as vitamins for my kids. The best vitamins for your kids. Dagan na mamis ang nagtry ani and nakaangay sa Lux Protect. Kasi Lux Protect pampagana og kaon. Sa mga mamis nga nagproblema din ha, kay walay gana mo kaon lang mga baby, so try niyo si Lux Protect. Atong Lux Protect, so walay chemical from pure grapeseed extract siya. So walay angay kabalakan when using Lux Protect as your vitamins. When I started using Lux Protect as vitamins for my kids, so kad ato, dili na pa sila galuya-luya, gasakit, layo sila sa sakit. Ang ako isa ka baby nga gangipon, praise the Lord, kaluyan. Karon na hapit na makumpleto, wala galuya, praise the Lord. And thankful kay ko sa Lux Protect, kay sa una, wala pa ko nagamit anang Lux Protect. Aga vitamins na gyud ko pero dili si Lux Protect. Then pag mangipon siya, mutungay ang mga allergies. So ako gibuhat, gi-try na ko si Lux Protect so kad ato. Palitag ko nga iyahang ngipon. Kung sa iyahang kanon nga like bawal sa iyaha, dili na gato nga iyahang allergies. So what I did is you will first it and mix it in their milk sa ilahang gatas na ako ginasagol kay kung imo siya ipainom nga capsule na tendency nga matukan ng baby or dili na sila muotro. Do you know someone have allergies and dermatitis? Samot sa mga naay makaon nga bawal, magubag din ang dagway, then katul-katul, magpula-pula ang panit. So many have been cured through this Lux Protect na allergies of dermatitis, gipahiran lang nila and isabayan pag-take sa Lux Protect. We also have proof and testimonies from our Lux Proud user that had colloid nodules and thyroid nodules healed this product. So, sa mga naikailangan na ibukol or glitter, try Lux Protect or I recommend try Lux Protect. It will help to decrease the sizes of your nodules or bukol. So, walay kumong sa pagsuway kay daghan kayo ang naulian ani na tambalan. Supposed to be nga na sila schedule for operation, operahan sila, but wala na dayon. Because nagagamay ang sizes sa bukol sa glitter until natambalan na ulian. So guys, you must to try this. Follow me for more videos and to share the benefits of our Lux product. Regine Velasquez Evans said, stay safe and stay protected. have proof and testimonies from our Lux Proud user that had colloid no
What?